Hello all and welcome to Make and Chiz, the channel for people who like making things. I'm Tez and I've had a couple of months off from doing videos just because I want to make this channel better. So all your support, like and subscribes means the world to me. I just want to do the best I can in this and I enjoy it. So basically, because I haven't posted in a little while, this is just a quick video on how I made my logo / sign on my new workshop. Have a look, hope you enjoy. So I want my logo to be round, so I've already got this Captain America shield, so it'll lend itself to a pretty good round circle, so I'm just going to trace around that and cut it out. So I've got my big circle out, I forgot to film it, whoops, but now I'm moving on to a small circle that's going to fit onto the back of the big circle. Give both circles a light stand. Look at the clock in the background's gone mad. So my larger circle, I primed it, let that dry, then I hit it with some pearlescent white. So shiny. So I print out my sign, traced around it, and to get the accuracy I think I'm going to use my Dremel. And then you'll see how I'm going to put this detail. I'm not too sure yet. Yeah, might have to cut out the black, paint this white, cut out the black, and see how we go from there. So I've cut out my main logo, primed it, ready for painting. So I've printed out these again, just so I can cut out the black part. And then what I'm going to do is, I've decided to stick them onto a thin bit of plastic that I've got left over from some 3D printing. And then I'll spray them and then put them on top of the white emblem part. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So you can see what I mean now. I've cut out the black parts, sprayed them black. They're pretty pearlescent, but the resin will really make it pop. I printed all my letters off to make and Chiz. Now that my letters are printed off, I'm going to cover them in UV resin after I've painted them black. So you've seen the colour, it's all nice and pearlescent, but you can't really see it. I could clear coat it, but I found in the past I can dull the colour. I don't want that, I want it really sparkly. So excuse the mess in my garage in a minute. As I say, I'm working on it. So it is a mess, but I'm going to use some UV resin. Just a teeny weeny amount, don't need lots. Once you've got a nice even coat, no bubbles in it, then you're ready for it to go in the sun or a UV light. Which cures it. So I'm in the dark in the garage, so it doesn't cure. Walking into the sun. Look at that. How shiny and sparkly is that? Looks amazing, if I don't say so myself. Because I'm so happy with how this looked, I'm going to do it again for the beard part and the background part. So the white part will be sparkly, just getting the air bubbles out there. It looks absolutely banging, really pearlescent, both parts now. So this is my background part, and this will have all my logos on. So for all my parts resined, it's time to glue them on to the big circle. Apart from the face part. This part will hide the screw that goes into the smaller circle that goes onto the wall. So I've just put a wall plug in the wall and screwed my smaller plate in, making sure there's about 5cm gap between the large circle you can see in the wall. That's a little sneak peek for you. That's the mural I should say, mural. I'm just wrapping some LED lights around it, so hopefully when the main circle goes on, it'll shine around the side of it. Hello all and